Welcome to the photography block. I'm Owen, and my aim is to help you guys who are struggling with your photography business. This is mainly aimed at people who are moving from amateur to semi-professional or professional and are struggling with different aspects of that, whether it's pricing, workflow, different aspects of editing, a whole host of different things, and I hope that I can help you to get past that and move forward within your business and grow your business. So let's get stuck in. The first tutorial is about pricing, finding your base price. Many people don't know how to price and they really just don't know where to start. So I'm hoping I can cover at least the basics of this and get you guys a starting point where you can start pricing for your work. So let's dig into that, and we have it on screen here. Basically, we have our shoot time. What do we charge? How long is it going to take to shoot this? It's a 1 hour shoot, so we're going to stick 1 hour in there. Next, we have travel time. How long does it take to get there, get back? Now, does it cost us anything to drive there? Yes, it does. So we're going to say it's going to take 15 minutes to get there, 15 minutes to get set up, 15 minutes to pack everything up again, and 15 minutes to get home. It's going to cost an hour. We're also going to stick 10 hours in the tank because we all got to pay for petrol. Editing time. How long is it going to take you to edit? It's going to take you 1 hour, 2 hours, 3 hours, 4 hours. I'm going to put down 3 hours as a safe number, give you half an hour to cover the images, another 2.5 hours to edit. So I would say 3 hours editing time. Correspondence time. Phone calls, emails. What's it going to work out at? Maybe 2 10-minute calls and an email? Half an hour. Other. You put in another half an hour here just to cover yourself. And an extra $5, euros, pounds, or whatever to cover yourself. Now, we have a base price of, we have a base here of 6 hours and $15. So this is going to tell us, this field here is going to tell us what we're going to make. This is going to tell us what we're going to charge. This is going to give us the price we're actually going to give out for a 1 hour family portrait shoot or whatever kind of shoot you're doing. So base price, you want 30 an hour? Let's put it there. Right, we're not making 30 an hour, we're only charging, we're making $27.50. We need to adjust this until $27.50 becomes 30. So I say 35. We're getting 32. That's not so bad. 34, 31, 32.50, right? Oh. There we go. Our base price is $180. Pretty simple. I'm going to add this to a link below where you can actually download it and use it yourself to figure out your own base price. That's it. Short and simple. Nice handy video. Get your base price and pricing and build it and work it from there. So now that you have your base price, you can work on building that price using other expenses and other times that you find you need to add to it. And as you grow in your photography business, you will find a more settled base price for yourself that you will charge. You'll know your expenses, you'll know your times more, you'll know how quick you can edit. And if someone says to you that I live in XYZ, you will know that's going to be 2 hours on the road, there and back, so you're going to charge 2 hours. You're going to know in your head already that you're going to charge extra for a certain mileage. Things like that you can build on your price. I am going to leave this in a link down below so you can actually have it and edit it and work on it whatever way you want, and hopefully it will give you a good base starter price that you can give to your clients as you start in your photography business.